Good afternoon. I'm Stefania Tosi, the last PhD student of the 26th cycle. The title of my research is Performance Models for Evaluation and Management of Large Internet Systems and Applications. And my tutor is Professor Michele Colajanni. During these 2 years, the focus of my research has been on the study and proposal of novel decision strategies for managing the huge amount of heterogeneous data that comes from the monitoring of system resources and network traffic. Existing solution for, in this context, existing solution for data management present many limits. First of all, they suffer from a relative lack of scalability, since they usually apply extremely complex statistical techniques, and they apply them to all the data that is available from system and network monitors. Second, the existing solutions are usually not enough general to be applied to the heterogeneous data that comes from system monitors and that are monitored at different levels of abstraction. And third, they have poor performance in managing data characterized by high variability and noise, as system resources and network traffic flows are. During these 2 years, I tried to overcome these limits in all the steps of the data management process. In fact, in large-scale system, data management should compose of 3 different steps: a metric collection step, a big data treatment step, and a time series processing step. The metric collection steps acquires all the data that comes from network traffic or system monitoring. Not only local raw data is collected, but also aggregated time series that comes from the second step of the process. The second step of big data treatment retrieves all the collected metrics and processes them in order to obtain from the huge amount of data collected only a subset of significant and useful information that are then passed for time series processing. The third step of time series processing retrieves the aggregated time series that are passed to one or multiple methods for data correlation, for cluster analysis, for anomaly detection, or for state change detection in order to help managing decision strategies. During these 2 years, as I said before, I brought some contribution to all the 3 steps of the data management process. In particular, this year I focused on 3 elements of this schema by proposing a novel solution for big data treatment, for data correlation, and for cluster analysis. Starting from big data treatment, this year I proposed novel techniques that are able to guarantee high scalability by reducing the huge amount of collected metrics to analyze to only a subset of relevant information for management. The techniques I proposed are based on the singular value decomposition model that allows to reduce the huge amount of data that we have to analyze. The SVD technique is incorporated with novel and innovative strategies for managing the high variability and noise through the identification of highly variable and noisy components and the removal of this information. So in this way, only information that are useful and non-noisy are stored and then sent to the following step of time series processing. In the step of time series processing, I said I brought some contributions to data correlation and to cluster analysis. Considering data correlation, this year I proposed a set of algorithms that is especially tailored to identify linear and nonlinear correlation among highly variable data streams, such as those coming from system resource metrics and network flows. The solution I proposed is flexible enough to adapt its parameters to the statistical properties of data. And it is sufficiently general since it makes no a priori assumption about data characteristics. It avoids pre-analysis of the statistical properties of data, and it does not require an integration with pre-filtering techniques that are all things that may increase the space and computation complexity of the data correlation analysis on highly variable data streams. Considering cluster analysis, this year I proposed novel algorithms for data clustering that are able to guarantee high accuracy and high robustness to cluster servers with related functionalities and network traffic flows sharing similar statistical properties. This is done by considering the correlation as a measure of similarity between the elements that belong to the same cluster, and where the number of resulting cluster may be or not a fixed parameter of my algorithms. So, concluding, future works that I aim to carry out in the next PhD year are direct to the improvement of all the solutions that I proposed, by finding correlation also among multiple data streams, by finding clustering also among heterogeneous metrics, and by reducing the computational space complexity of all the solutions in order to further improve the scalability of the management system. This is a list of my publications, and thank you for your attention.
Thanks for your talk. Any question? Okay, thanks again. So, thanks for attending this event. The first day is over. We start again tomorrow morning at 9, and we will have a few talks given by the students working in the area of innovation, industrial innovation engineering. Tomorrow morning from 9 to noon to 12, and the last talks will be given in the afternoon from 2:30 to 3:15. So thanks again and have a good evening.